Hi dear students, welcome to all for today's social class. Today we will see Geography 4th lesson. The lesson name is India Soils. In this lesson you may learn meaning and importance of soils in India, types of soils and their distribution, and soil erosion causes and effects and soil conservation. Let's see now meaning and importance of soils. Soil is a thin surface layer of the earth comprising of closely intermixed mineral and organic substances. It is a very important natural resource of India because agriculture is the main occupation of the people. Agricultural production is basically depend on the fertility of the soil. Listen dear students, soil means very important for one marks. Listen, soil is the thin surface layer of the earth. Got it? Comprising of closely intermixed minerals and organic substances is called as soil. Got it? The agricultural production is basically depends on fertility of the soil. Got it? Because you know already the Indian peoples depends on more agriculture. Soil formation of India is mainly related to the parent rock, relief climate and natural vegetation. So, there is a wide variety of soils in India. Types of soils. Soils of India can be classified into 6 main types. Listen, the Indian soils can be classified into how many types? 6 types. Let's see now. First one, alluvial soil. Second one, block soil. Third one, red soil. Fourth one, laterite soil. Fifth one, desert soil. And sixth one, mountain soil. Let's see now one by one. First one, alluvial soil. The soil that are composed of alluvium are called alluvial soil. Very simple meaning. Listen, the soil that are composed of alluvium, such soil is called as alluvial soil. Got it? They are formed from the sediments deposited by the rivers as the Indo-Gangetic plain and by the sea waves of coastal plain. Listen, how the alluvial soil is formed? The alluvial soil is formed from the sediments deposited by the rivers and sea waves in coastal plains. Got it? Alluvial soil is very extensively found and very important in India. They contribute greatly to the development of agriculture in the country. They cover an area of about 15 lakh square kilometers. The main crops grown on this type of soils are wheat, paddy, sugarcane, cotton and jute. Listen dear students. The alluvial soil we can found totally 15 lakh square kilometers in India. Got it? The main crops of alluvial soil in what is that? Wheat, paddy, sugarcane, cotton and jute are the main crops grown in alluvial soil. Got it? Let's see now second one, black soil. This soil is also known as Regur and black cotton soil as they are best suited for cotton cultivation. Listen, the black soil is also known as Regur soil or black cotton soil because it is best suited for growing cotton. Got it? They are derived from the basalt rock. So they are a dark grey to black in color with high clay content. They are highly retentive of moisture and extremely compact. They are best suited for cultivation of cotton, sugarcane, jowar, maize, pulses, wheat and chilies. Listen dear students, in black soil they are growing more cotton, sugarcane, jowar, maize, pulses, wheat and chilies. Got it? Black soils are largely found in the Deccan basalt trap region, including Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, parts of Telangana, northern part of Karnataka, parts of Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. They occupy about 5.46 lakh square kilometers in India. Where we found black soils? The black soils we are finding in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, parts of Telangana, northern part of Karnataka, parts of Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. Got it? This soil means the black soil totally occupy about 5.46 lakh square kilometers in India. Got it? Let's see now third point, red soil. They are formed from the weathering of granite, gneiss and other crystalline rocks. Listen how the red soil are formed. The red soil is formed from the weathering of granite, gneiss and other crystalline rocks. The color of this soil is generally red or reddish brown. Got it? The color of red soil is commonly red or reddish soil. Got it? They are sandier and less clay, so they do not retain moisture. They cover a vast area of about 5.2 lakh square kilometers. Listen, the red soil cover totally how many square kilometers? 5.2 lakh square kilometers in India. Got it? The soils are spread extensively in Tamil Nadu. They are also found in southern Karnataka, parts of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Kerala, Goa, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, West Bengal, etc. The red soil we find in where? In Tamil Nadu and southern Karnataka. Southern means South Karnataka. Got it? And parts of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Kerala, Goa, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland and West Bengal. In these states we will find red soil. Got it? Red soils are ideal for the cultivation of ragi, millets, groundnuts, tobacco and potato. A variety of crops can be grown in the soils if there are irrigation facilities. Listen, the red soil is suitable for growing ragi, millets, groundnuts, tobacco and potato. Got it? These are the important crops grown in red soil. Then fourth soil is laterite soil. These soils are formed in tropical areas under the conditions of high temperature and rainfall. These soils are cover an area of 2.48 lakh square kilometers. They are mainly found in the uplands of Western Ghats. Region, Eastern Ghats and Chota Nagpur Plateau, Meghalaya Plateau, the Rajmahal Hills and Vindhya and Satpuras. Listen, the laterite soil are formed in tropical areas under the conditions of high temperature and rainfall. Got it? The soils are cover an area of 2.48 lakh square kilometers. The laterite soil covers totally how many square kilometers? 2.48 lakh square kilometers. Got it? The laterite soil mainly found in the uplands of Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats and Chota Nagpur Plateau, Meghalaya Plateau and the Rajmahal Hills, Vindhyas and Satpuras. They are leached soils, not fertile and are of limited use for agriculture. Crops like cashew, rubber, tea, coffee and paddy can be grown in these soils. What are the crops grown in laterite soils? Crops like cashew, rubber, tea, coffee and paddy can possible to grow in laterite soils. Got it? Then fifth one, desert soil. The soils are formed under desert and semi-desert conditions. They are largely found in the northwestern part of India, like a major parts of Rajasthan, southern Haryana, Punjab and the northern part of Gujarat. They are fairly friable. The fairly friable have a high content of soluble salt. They are sandy and low in moisture and humus. These are not suitable for the cultivation of crops. Some crops can be grown and where irrigation facilities are available. They occupy about 1.42 lakh square kilometers. Listen dear students, the desert soil are formed under the desert and semi-desert conditions. Got it? The desert soil is formed under desert and semi-desert conditions. They are largely found in north and western part of India. Got it? Like a major parts of Rajasthan, southern Haryana. Southern means South Haryana. Got it? Punjab and northern part of Gujarat. They are fairly friable, have a high content of soluble salt. They are sandy and low in moisture of humus. Got it? The desert soil is sandy. Got it? And low in moisture and humus. These are not suitable for cultivation of crops. The desert soil is not suitable for growing crops or for agriculture. Some crops can be grown where irrigation facilities are available. Got it? They occupy about 1.42 lakh square kilometers. The desert soil occupies totally 1.42 lakh square kilometers. Got it? Let's see now sixth type of soil, mountain soil. These soils are mainly found in the slopes of mountains and hills covered by forest. They are mostly formed due to the decomposition of organic matter. Hence, they are rich in humus and are fertile. They are useful for plantation crops, example tea, coffee and fruits. They are largely found in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Manipur states and along the Western Ghats. The soils cover an area of 2.85 lakh square kilometers. Listen dear students, the mountain soils are mainly found on the slopes of mountains and hills covered by forest. Got it? Where we will see mountain soils, the slopes of mountains and hills covered by forest areas, we will be seeing mountain soils. Got it? They are mostly formed due to the decomposition of organic matter. Hence, they are rich in humus and are fertile. The mountain soils is very fertile. Got it? They are useful for plantation crops. The mountain soil is very useful for plantation crops. Example, tea, coffee, fruits. They are growing in mountain soils. They are largely found in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Manipur states and along the Western Ghats. Got it? Where we will seeing mountain soils in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Manipur states and Western Ghats. We can possible to see mountain soils. Totally the mountain soils is cover an area of 2.85 lakh square kilometers in India. Got it? Let's see now soil erosion is important. Listen, soil erosion refers to the removal of topsoil by natural agents. These rivers, glaciers, winds, sea waves, etc. remove the top layer of fertile soil and deflate the fertility of the soil. Soil erosion is one of the important problem in India. Listen, soil erosion means soil erosion refers to the removal of topsoil by natural agents is called as soil erosion. Got it? Once more listen. Soil erosion refers to the removal of topsoil by natural agents is called as soil erosion. The rivers, glaciers, winds, sea waves, etc. remove the top layer of fertile soil and deflate the fertility of the soil. The soil erosion is a main or important problem in India. Let's see now causes of soil erosion. Causes means reasons. Got it? The main causes of soil erosion are deforestation. Deforestation means destroying the forest, means cutting down the trees is called as deforestation. And B, overgrazing. C, shifting cultivation. D, foreign methods of cultivation. E, use of topsoil for making bricks, tiles, etc. These are the causes of soil erosion. What are the causes for soil erosion? Listen once more. Deforestation, overgrazing, shifting cultivation, faulty methods of cultivation, and use of topsoil for making bricks, tiles, etc. These are the main causes or reasons of soil erosion. Got it? Let's see now effects of soil erosion. Effects means problems. The important effects of soil erosion are: first one, loss of soil fertility and fall in agricultural productivity. Got it? What is the first point? Loss of soil fertility. Due to soil erosion, the soil lose its fertility and it leads to fall in agricultural productivity. Got it? Listen. Second one, it leads to silting and floods, change the course of rivers and reduction of capacity of the reservoirs. Second effect is the soil erosion leads to silting and floods and change the course of rivers and reduction of capacity of the reservoirs. Got it? Third effect is groundwater level is lowered and there is a decrease in soil moisture. What is the third point or third effect? The groundwater level will be decreased and there is a decrease in soil moisture. Then fourth effect is vegetation covers, dries up and drought increase. What is the fourth effect? Vegetation covers, dries up and drought increase. Got it? Fifth effect is economy as a whole suffers a great setback. Due to soil erosion, our country economy will be suffers a great setback. Got it? These are the effects of soil erosion. Then see last heading, conservation of soil. Conservation means save or protect. How can we protect the soil, or how can we save the soil? Got it? Let's see now. Protection of soil from erosion and preservation of fertility of the soil is called as soil conservation. Is very important for one marks. Listen. Conservation of soil means protection of soil from erosion and preservation of fertility. Preservation means saving or protecting. Got it? Preservation of fertility of the soil is called as soil erosion. Got it? Several measures are adopted for conserving soil. They are, listen, let's see now measures or methods of conserving the soil. First one, afforestation and reforestation. Afforestation means planting the trees is called as afforestation. Got it? Then controlled overgrazing. Third one, counter farming. Fourth one, construction of check dams. Fifth one, counter bounding. Sixth one, gully control and bench terracing. These are the measures of control the soil erosion. What are the measures of controlling soil erosion? First one, afforestation and reforestation. Second one, controlled overgrazing. Third one, counter farming. Fourth one, construction of check dams. Fifth one, counter bonding. Sixth one, gully control and bench terracing. These are the measures or methods for conserving the soil or save the soil. Got it? There is an urgent need to conserve soil under the 5-year plans. Much importance given for this aspect. Got it, dear students? This is a lesson, fourth lesson in geography, the Indian soils. In case if you have any doubts in today's topic or today's lesson, you can call and ask. Surely I clarify your doubts. Got it? Now homework is, you need to answer second mind. First question, which are the major types of soils in India? Second one, explain the distribution of black soil in India. Third one, what are the characteristics of red soil? Fourth one, what is soil erosion and soil conservation? These 4 questions is an homework for you. Write neatly in your homework book and send it in group. Got it? In case if you have doubt, you can call at any time and clarify your doubts. Okay, got it, dear students? Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, one and all.